So the first recipe we are making are these fluffy pancakes. We're going to start off with some eggs. You guys have been requesting a coconut flour pancake recipe, so that is what we are making today. So we're going to add in 4 eggs and whisk those all up. Then I'm adding in a little bit of maple syrup, some vanilla, some coconut oil, and as always, all of the measurements will be left down in the description box so that you can easily save them. And then we're adding in our dry ingredients, so our coconut flour and our baking powder, salt, tapioca, and stirring that up all together until everything is nice and combined. So just stirring that all up, and then I'm heating a pan to medium heat, and we're gonna put our batter on it, and then we're gonna flip them over once the outside edges are cooked and they start to bubble a little bit. So putting that on, and I like to put a lid on top. This is one of my secrets to making really fluffy pancakes, is to put the lid on the top. So then just flip over the pancakes and you will have your giant stack of delicious fluffy pancakes. These are also really high in protein, fiber. They're going to keep you full. And who does not love a fluffy pancake? The next recipe we are making is this asparagus frittata. I have been obsessed with this combo of like eggs and asparagus. So I'm using some almond milk, 2 cups of egg whites. This one is predominantly an egg white frittata. And then I'm adding in a couple eggs just for a little bit of yolk. So it all depends on your kind of taste buds, like what you like. But I've been really loving this kind of like more egg white and less egg frittata. It also has lots of protein. So then I just whisk that all together until everything is nice and combined, making sure to really break up those yolks, whisk it together. And then I'm going to be adding in some salt and pepper, some seasoning. I like this grind to a salt one. And then you're going to take your baking dish and add in your toppings. So I'm also using some leftover turkey sausage. I'm adding in some asparagus, but you can also add mushrooms, red peppers, kind of whatever you want into this and make it your own veggie frittata. And then you just pour the egg mixture on the top. I finished it with some spears of asparagus. Pop it in the oven, and then you have this great meal prepped breakfast. I had this for a couple days and it was so good and easy. I love the asparagus egg white combo, a little bit of turkey sausage, so it's a really good way to use up leftovers. And then we are making this seedy apple porridge. It was a cozy day, and I was like, what would be better than a cozy bowl of like apple, warm cinnamon, and deliciousness? So I'm using a pan on medium heat, and I'm adding in some apples, some cinnamon, and a spray of coconut oil. And then I'm adding in a cup of nut milk, and then we're going to be adding in our seeds. So this is where all of the wonderful protein, fiber, and healthy fats are going to come in. So I'm using chia seeds, which are really high in omega-3s, flax for fiber, and then I'm adding in some hemp hearts. Again, these are loaded with healthy fats, also fiber, also great omegas, and a touch of vanilla for some flavor. And you're going to cook this over the heat until it starts to thicken. And with the combo of the chia seeds and the flax together with the hemp, it just thickens into this delicious porridge with warm, soft apple. It is the perfect, like, cozy breakfast. You can also prep this in advance if you wanted and eat it cold. I've done that and it tastes good cold as well. But also there's just something really like warm and cozy about this breakfast, and it's full of fiber. It's going to keep you full for hours too, and it's really satisfying. You could finish it with a more apple on top, but I've been loving figs lately, so I just sliced up a fig and put that on the top. And honestly, a warm, cozy, filling breakfast full of good for you ingredients, and it's going to keep you full for a very long time.